Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Dear Get Cooking Now family, we have something truly special to share with you as we approach the end of the year. We are so grateful to each one of you for joining us on this culinary journey through the vibrant and delicious world of Goan cuisine. Thanks to your likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions, our family has grown to around 38,000 subscribers. Your constant support has made it possible for us to share our love for Goan cuisine with the world. We couldn't have done it without you. It's your passion and enthusiasm that inspires us to keep sharing our delicious Goan recipes. Together, we've created a warm, supportive, and engaged community. As we step into the new year, we have so much more in store for you. Exciting new recipes, cooking tips, and more delicious adventures await. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for being part of this incredible journey and for spreading the love for Goan cuisine. See you in the new year with some more delicious recipes. Wishing you and your family a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank you for watching.